Where's he at? Hey, get down! Get down! One eye gunpoint. Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Hey, I'm hit! Two Papa Darum 999.
¡Tira la pistola! ¡Tira la pistola! ¡Estamos arrestos!
Hey, I'm hit, bro.
Okay?
Yeah, my finger.
You okay?
Yeah, I can shoot.
Darum 999.
Copy 999.
Subject still in possession of the firearm. He's in front of the residence. Still moving.
Yeah. Hey, get down! Get down! One eye gunpoint.
Here you can see Diaz point his firearm at a deputy. After being struck, Diaz still raised his firearm and shot at a deputy. This is the deputy's view moments before he was struck in the hand.
Hey, I'm hit! Two Papa Darum 999.
¡Tira la pistola! ¡Tira la pistola!
Diaz was still in possession of the firearm and posed a deadly threat to deputies.